Today, for the SIE exam, we will break down one of the most fundamental concepts in options trading, which is the difference between intrinsic value and time value. Every option contract has a price, known as the premium. This premium is not just an arbitrary number. It is composed of two distinct parts, intrinsic value and time value. The simple formula to always remember is premium equals intrinsic value plus time value. Understanding this formula and its components is critical for answering several questions on the exam. Let's start with intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is the amount by which an option is in the money. Think of it as the option's real, tangible worth if it were to be exercised immediately. An option only has intrinsic value if it is in the money. If an option is at the money or out of the money, its intrinsic value is zero. It can never be a negative number. For a call option, it is in the money when the stock's market price is above the strike price. For example, if a stock is trading at $65 per share, a call option with a $60 strike price is in the money by $5. That $5 is its intrinsic value. If the stock were trading at $58, the $60 call would be out of the money and its intrinsic value would be zero. For a put option, the logic is reversed. A put is in the money when the market price is below the strike price. If a stock is at $65, a put with a $70 strike price is in the money by $5, giving it $5 of intrinsic value. Now let's talk about time value. If intrinsic value is the real tangible worth, time value is the speculative or hope value of the option. It's the amount of money an investor is willing to pay for the possibility that the option will become profitable or more profitable before it expires. Time value is simply what's left of the premium after you subtract the intrinsic value. Let's go back to our $60 call option when the stock is at $65. We know its intrinsic value is $5. If the option's premium is $7, then the time value is $2. That $2 difference is the price of time, the value of having the chance for the stock to climb even higher before the option expires. An option that is out of the money or at the money has a premium that is made up entirely of time value. The more time an option has until expiration, the greater its time value will be, because there's more time for the underlying stock to make a favorable move. On the SIE exam, you will absolutely be asked to calculate these values. They'll provide a scenario. For instance, an investor buys one ABC July 50 call at 4 when ABC is trading at 52. Then they will ask, what is the intrinsic value and time value? Here, the market price of 52 is $2 above the $50 strike price, so the intrinsic value is $2. Since the total premium was $4, the time value must be the remaining $2. A very common trap is to forget that intrinsic value for an out-of-the-money option is always zero, not a negative number. A helpful mental shortcut is the phrase call up, put down. To find the intrinsic value for a call, you see if the market price is up from the strike price, and if so, you subtract. For a put, you see if the market price is down from the strike price. This simple phrase helps you quickly orient yourself to whether you should be looking for an in-the-money scenario for a call or a put, and how to begin the calculation, which is key to saving time and avoiding errors on the exam.